Never getting bored of these sunrises, guys, I'll tell you that. But like I say, content time. So what I want to do is teach you guys, or more share with you, why I've been able to leverage the same marketing method for the last 7 years without it changing. Alright, so yeah, let's dive into it. Alright guys, so if you don't know, the actual strategy that I leverage is Facebook, free marketing on my Facebook profile. And not once in the last 7 years, or well, nearly 8 years now, has my strategy ever needed to change. It has been the same thing since I started it all those years ago. It hasn't changed one bit. And when you see like other strategies out there, you know, things change, like YouTube and, you know, paid marketing, people need to tweak the actual marketing methods. But for me, the actual strategy has never changed. Now, what I would say is, it's not maybe necessarily the actual strategy itself, right? Like I've never need to change it, but I think it's more the principles behind the strategy is why it's so effective, right? I think that's kind of why, because the way that I look at Facebook, nobody else looks at it that way. It's not in like the affiliate marketing space, right? There's certain ways that you should be looking to build your business on Facebook, and I would say I'm maybe one of the only people that actually sees Facebook the way I do, that I do. And I feel that's why it's been so successful and helped people that have gone through my strategy and have implemented it. Every single person's got results. There isn't one person that's gone through my strategy, right, has done it consistently, right, and not got results. I've not known one person that is like not succeeded if they've put in the work. Yes, there's people that have tried it and, you know, they've given it a shot for maybe a couple of weeks, a couple of months, and they give up. Well, of course you're not going to get results if you give up, are you? Because everybody has a breakthrough at different points. Like, it took a year for me to actually succeed, but at that time, you know, I was still trying to figure out Facebook, all that kind of stuff. And now that I've figured out this strategy, right, you guys don't need to make the same mistakes that I've gone through, right? Because I just tell you what works. You don't need to master anything. It's really just a case of going out there and actually applying the strategy. So I do feel it's more the principles behind my method that is why it's been so effective over the last like 7 to 8 years. And I don't feel it's ever going to need to change. Yes, Facebook has this stuff with algorithms and all that nonsense which determines your engagement, but engagement doesn't make you money on Facebook. I'll tell you that right now, right? It doesn't matter if you get 100 likes or 1,000 likes, right, on your posts. That is not what makes you money, right? I know people that get hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of likes on their posts. They don't make jack shit, right? So don't think that engagement matters, because it really doesn't matter, right? So just get it out of your head, especially if you're trying to do it building your business. Yes, it might make you look cool. Oh, it's like, wow, this guy got like 200 likes on his post, but it doesn't really matter. All right, it is more the actual principles behind the method as to why it works so well. All right, and I don't feel it's ever gonna need to change either, to be completely honest, unless Facebook has some like crazy updates. But like I say, I really feel that's why it's so powerful. And for those of you that are interested in like my strategy, just message me and I'll fill you in on, you know, exactly what it is and how you can get access to it. But yeah guys, I just thought I'd share that quickly. We're actually just heading down now to get breakfast. But yeah, like I say, that's the value for today, talking about why I feel that my method is so powerful and why everybody that's consistent with it gets results. It's because it's the principles behind it, and that's why it's so effective. It isn't, I mean, yes, of course the method actually matters, but what you stand for behind it is a little different. And I think that's why it's been able to like change so many people's lives, because it's so different compared to anything else out there. And another thing is as well, it's so darn simple. Everyone overcomplicates it. You know, even when people go through my training, a lot of them will still find a way to make it more difficult for themselves. Humans have this like innate ability to like see what they need to do to succeed, but still make it more difficult for themselves. It's weird. So if you can just keep things simple and not let, you know, things get on top of you and try and reinvent the wheel, there's no reason as to why you can't succeed with what I do, right? But that's like up to you if you want access to the strategy or not, right? But like I say, if you do, just message me. But like I say, if you're willing to put in the work, put in the time, put in the effort to actually applying the strategy, you will get results. Doesn't matter what your business is, right? Yes, it needs to be an internet business. It doesn't really work for offline stuff. Like I don't do door to door, you know, selling shit, putting in postcards and car windows and stuff. I don't do that. But yeah, if you want to build an internet business or, you know, start succeeding, then maybe we need to have a little talk. So that's my value for today, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, got a little bit of value, and I will see you guys tomorrow for the next one. Peace.